A great movie.
Did you see Titanic?
Yes. It is a great movie.
I saw it 12 times.
I saw it 8 times.
I have the DVD.
So do I.
Let's go to your home.
We can watch my DVD.
And then we can go to my home.
And watch your DVD.
I always cry at the end.
Me too. It's so sad. Conversation 2.
A card game. Let's play cards.
I don't know any card games.
I'll teach you one.
Okay. What will you teach me?
It's called poker.
Is it easy to learn?
Yes, it will only take about 30 minutes.
Okay. Teach me how to play.
We each get 5 cards.
Oh, look. I have 4 tens.
That's great, but you're not supposed to tell me.
Oh. Sorry. Okay, I don't have 4 tens. Conversation 3. I have 4 aces.
I'm a good card player.
Why is that?
Because I watch the other players.
What do you mean?
People will tell you if they have a good hand.
How do they do that?
For example, a friend of mine licks his lips.
When he licks his lips, you know he has a good hand?
I know he has a good hand, so I don't bet.
He never wins your money? Nope, and it drives him crazy.
He knows you can't read his mind. Maybe he thinks you're cheating.
Conversation 4. Too much volume.
Turn the radio down, please.
But I'm listening to it.
Well, listen to it more quietly.
I can't wait till I grow up.
What will you do?
I will play the radio as loud as I want.
That's okay with me.
I will have a radio in every room of my house.
Remind me to never visit you.
All the radios will be on extra loud.
Your neighbors will hate you.
If they don't like it, they can move.